films, now doing OTT. And introduction के नाम पे मुझे जब पहले बोला जाता था, जब शुरू में मैं आया था, मुझे किसी ने ऐसे ही कहीं पे बुलाया था और मैं इंट्रोडक्शन मुझे देने के लिए बोला, तो इतनी आदत पड़ गई थी ऑडिशन देने की कि वो चालू हो गया था. मैं माय नेम इज सो एंड सो, माय नंबर, मैंने अपना नंबर हाइट वाइट सब बोल दिया था प्रोफाइल से. सो व्हेन शी सेड कि यू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ, तो मेरे दिमाग में सबसे पहले वो आया, मैं वो नहीं करूँगा आज. So yeah, it's been a fun journey. Lots of learnings, lots of ups and downs, and I'm really inspired by their journeys as well. I think everybody has a story to tell. But at the end of the day, like we were discussing in the room also when we met, that everybody has a story to tell, and I think the most important thing is to have a story to tell everybody. And create your own story. It's never too late to start creating your own story. And it's just been a wonderful experience for me. There have been times when I've felt like leaving the city. There have been times that I've felt like leaving the industry. And there have been times when I felt like that I'm flying. But all this experience, when I look back now, I just feel good. I feel honored. I feel there's a lot of gratitude inside me because of these ups and downs. So only one piece of small advice, no gyan, but enjoy wherever you are, which maybe I've missed when I was at that age that I used to take things too seriously. Don't take life too seriously. Just have fun, enjoy everything. I would want to say that I'm really excited, and it's a pleasure being a part of ITM. और मुझे अभी यहाँ पे आके ये इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली कि ITM has become a university now recently. So a big huge congratulations to everybody out here, all the students, all the faculty members, the owners of this place. And I would it's a good feeling when a college gets recognition as a university. That means it's doing really well. And the vibe is good. It's very colorful. If I see around the walls, there's creativity all around. And I feel good when I go to creative places like this. So it's always a pleasure being to such colleges.
Hi guys, I'm Nishank Sinani, Head Stylist Femina Miss India. I'm here at the ITM Institute of Design and Media. I'm so happy to be a part of Art Confab. The students are so talented, and I want to really congratulate ITM to become a university right now. I'm really happy the students have created some great work. All the best.
First of all, this is one of the coolest places I've ever walked into. The Institute of Design and Media was absolutely fantastic. You walk in, there's so many cool cabins, people are working on their own projects. It's like what the Three Idiots school was that Amir Khan built towards the end of the film. It's just such a cool space because there's so much hands-on learning that you can see consistently. Super excited to see what's happening today. Love the workshops and seminars that they always consistently organize. Get people, get panelists, get like really experienced people to come like inspire the students consistently. Also huge congratulations to the Institute of Design and Media for now becoming also a huge congratulations to the Institute of Design and Media for now officially becoming a university. I think that's a big achievement, and I think there are a lot more students for them to empower. All right.
Hi guys, मेरा नाम फिजा खान है और मैं आई हूँ ITM पे. इनका आर्ट कॉन्फैब चल रहा है जहाँ पे बहुत सारा आर्ट इन्होंने शोकेस करा है. और जो मुझे नहीं जानते, मैं एक डिजिटल कंटेंट क्रिएटर हूँ. मैं अपने वीडियोस के थ्रू बहुत सारे सोसाइटी को मैसेज देने की कोशिश करती हूँ. अब जो ITM में मैंने डिफरेंट सेक्शंस देखे, इंटीरियर देखा, फैशन शो देखा, फैशन लोगों का सेक्शन देखा. इट वाज सुपर. और जो नहीं जानते, पूरे बॉम्बे में ये एक लौता डिज़ाइन कॉलेज है जो यूनिवर्सिटी है. ITM इज़ अ डिज़ाइन एंड मीडिया यूनिवर्सिटी जहाँ पे आके आप बहुत कुछ डिज़ाइनिंग से लेके जितना भी मीडिया का काम है वो सीख सकते हैं. बेहतरीन टीचर्स से बेहतरीन लोग यहाँ पे आपको ट्रेन करेंगे उस हर चीज़ में जिसमें आपका इंटरेस्ट है. बिकॉज क्या होता है कि स्टूडेंट्स बहुत सारे कोर्सेज करते हैं पर आधा वक्त उन्हें पता नहीं होता उन्हें इंटरेस्ट किसमें. तो जिसे नहीं पता क्या करना चाहिए, आप ITM पे आओ. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे कोर्सेज है, कोई ना कोई आपका अटेंशन ग्रैब ज़रूर करेगा. एंड मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा आर्ट कॉन्फैब का हिस्सा रहते हुए. थैंक यू ITM.
also amongst us we have Tejas. Tejas is a very well-known influencer. I think we all must have come across his stories. So throughout the 3 years, they learned how to stitch garments, style it. We would in fact love to have her for the graduation show also, which is Spark Club. And if you all are on board, I would really want my students to probably create a few video edits. And we probably inform parents about and probably I would say answer all their queries in terms of apparently a part of everything that apparently happens in the world of girls. And yeah, what we also do is we have some. No, I genuinely, I mean it. I mean, if you are really there for the graduation show, also, I would. My charcoal pencil, and I started drawing.
Change, man, change. Full change.
Your path that you created, the niche that you created on your own, and the whooping Instagram followers that you have created for.
So first of all, I'm very thankful to be a part of ITM and Art Confab. It was actually fabulous, like being around so many creative people and being around everyone who is so dedicated towards art. I feel so much connect and positivity flowing towards me because I feel एक artistic community में रहना और उनमें काम करना, and then the faculties who are there to push you and guide you towards the authentic art. Whatever I have seen from the first year to the third year, I saw कि वो डिज़ाइंस में ना एक ऑथेंटिसिटी है, ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो मैंने अब तक नहीं देखी, ऐसे आर्ट है, ऐसे डिज़ाइंस है, इवन इंटीरियर, इवन फैशन डिज़ाइनिंग, इवन एवरीथिंग दैट आई हैव सॉ, I feel there was this authenticity to the art and I was mesmerized by the experience. It was wonderful.
So dance is also art.
Of course.
कितना connect किया आपने?
Exactly, that's the reason. So being honest, dancing से मैंने शुरुआत की आर्ट की, लेकिन being an artist we flow, right? So I've explored music, then I was into the designing part as well, where I was learning Photoshop, I was learning Illustrator, I was creating designs. Now even as being a main business owner of my company, I cater to everything. I see all the designs. I have basically handcrafted my own studio. So I feel कि एक light का जो detail होता है ना, that shadow, that bouncing, even the clothing that we wear for every dance performance, even this particular college. So एक चीज़ में ना वो एक detailing होता है, and I could see that detail there. So I could see the passion which is going on in the making of the art, and I feel totally crazy. It was so good. Thank you.
पहली बात तो आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक ITM Art Annual Fest to invite me and to witness this amazing kids with so much of talent. And of course मैं बहुत ज़्यादा relate कर पाई because मैं खुद एक art student रह चुकी हूँ. But my destiny brought me into acting, modeling, influencing. But I still carry one small sketchbook with me every time wherever I go. तो अभी भी वो पेंटिंग स्केचेस चलता रहता है, बट वॉचिंग दिस पीपल डूइंग सच अमेजिंग आर्ट वर्क, सच नाइस क्रिएटिविटी, इमेजिनेशन इज़ व्हाट टच माई हार्ट. एंड As you can see, उनके posters and interior designing and furnitures, especially even each and single fabric को उन्होंने इतने अच्छे से पिन किया हुआ है, and that आप वो मैनिक्विन पे देख के ही समझ सकते हो कि उनकी इमेजिनेशन किस डायरेक्शन में जा रही है. एंड आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक ऑल द फैकल्टी कि उन्होंने इतने अमेजिंग तरीके से सारी स्टूडेंट्स को सिखाया है, एंड दैट रियली शोज़ ऑन द पेपर. एंड या, आई वाज रियली हैप्पी टू सी ईच एंड एवरी आर्ट वर्क. Upcoming project, so actually I am in talks with one of the TV shows, so hopefully if that starts soon, so yeah. One message which what I would like to give all the students, especially because nowadays social media is so important, that you guys are already talented, but use social media in a right way, because it will give you a platform where you can reach to the millions. Make creative reels and upload it and showcase your talent, and I'm sure that you will achieve all the love, all the praises, not only in the world but globally also. And I would like to congratulate ITM that they are turning into university very soon. So looking forward for more and more talented students coming out of here. Thank you.
मैं सच बोलूँ तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आ रहा है, बिकॉज द स्टूडेंट्स आर सो एंथुजियास्टिक. एंड आपको लोगों को पता ही कि हम लोगों का फैशन सेंस कितना अच्छा है, और रील्स पे आप लोग हमारा अलग अलग तरह का फैशन देखते रहते हैं. और जिस तरह से यहाँ पर फैशन है, फूड स्टॉल्स हैं, अलग अलग तरह की चीज़ें, सो बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आ रहा है. एंड पीपल आर सो एनर्जेटिक. ऑफ कोर्स डांस मेरी रगों रगों में, जिसमें जान में बसा रहता है हर वक्त. तो बहुत मज़ा आता है मुझे जब कहीं पर भी जाकर एक यंग एनर्जी मिलती है, यंग वाइब मिलती है, बिकॉज जो हमारा यंग यूथ है, सो दे आर सो एनर्जेटिक, और वो हमारा फ्यूचर भी है. सो या, आई फील सो गुड टू बी हियर.
इन्होंने काफ़ी वार्मली वेलकम किया, बहुत प्यारे लोग हैं. एंड ओवरऑल मैंने कुछ स्टॉल्स देखे, एवरीथिंग इज़ नाइस एंड क्रिएटिव है काफ़ी. ऑफ कोर्स
वेरी क्रिएटिव. या अभी मैंने कॉफ़ी पी, जिस कॉफ़ी का नाम था पलंग तोड़ और नटखट, और वेरी क्रिएटिव नेम्स. तो मतलब वो बहुत मज़ा आता है कि यूथ को पता है कि हमें अपनी चीज़ कैसे बेचनी है. सो या वो बहुत मज़ा आता है. रादर देन नेस्कैफे एंड ब्रू, तो उनकी कॉफ़ी का ही नाम है नटखट पलंग तोड़ कॉफ़ी. सो बहुत मज़ा आता है देखिए कि आजकल के यूथ के पास कितने क्रिएटिव आइडियाज़ हैं अपनी चीज़ों को दिखाने के. बिग 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 कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू ITM, बिकॉज नाउ इट्स अ यूनिवर्सिटी ऑल्सो. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी बिग थिंग.
Congratulations to ITM
Yeah.
for getting converted into an university.
I'm comfortable in English, so I'll speak in English. Yeah. Hello everyone, I'm Pragnya Ayagari, Liva Miss Diva Supranational 2022, and today I'm here at ITM IDM Institute of Design and Media, and I cannot be happier to see all the creativity and the student work, because I'm a designer myself and I was overwhelmed with all the work. They're so creative. I also would like to take this opportunity to thank ITM for becoming a university. Thank you. That's right. Currently my preparation is at its peaks. I'll be leaving in 3 months to Poland. I just want to do my best and represent India at its best. I'm highly inspired by Srinidhi Shetty. She's our Miss Supranational 2016, the last winner from India. So hoping to bring the 3rd crown back home. I mean, this is the second university for fashion here in Bombay, and that's amazing. Like, that gives more scope for students to grow, and I'm just so happy for them. Thank you.
I think the kids are very talented, and each and every piece had a uniqueness in it, and जो अपना दिल होता है ना वो उस पर लगा के उन्होंने काम किया, ये सब चीज़ बहुत प्यार से उनके डिज़ाइंस में दिख रहा था।
कितना कनेक्ट किया यहाँ पे आपने स्टूडियो के साथ और कितना नॉस्टैल्जिक लगता है?
So I have always wanted to be a product designer. So जब मैंने engineering ख़त्म करी उसके बाद I always wanted to be a product designer. So when I saw these people, I felt like, oh, like there was a time when I wanted to be this, and I feel that it's so stunning that everybody has put so much effort towards it. There's so much of creativity involved in it, and I feel that I might also join ITM soon.
Also, ITM of university, कैसे congratulate?
I would like to congratulate them. I think you have some really bright students, and I think that you all of them have worked hard. The faculty members, the whole crew, everybody has worked really hard for each and everything. And I believe that I believe that they are going to go way higher than they have expected. The goals that they have set for themselves, I think they'll go way higher than that, because everybody is talented, and I feel that they have done a brilliant job. Congratulations, ITM.